Alright, so papanoorin natin today yung SB19 announcement. No? Wait lang. Ito na, i-play ko na agad pare. Grabe, 42 minutes to, no? So tignan natin kung ano mangyayari. Ano yan? Anong timer na yan? Ano ba to? Timer ba to? Forward lang natin ng saglit, no?
Well, hi everyone, good evening po sa inyo lahat, sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Siguro, surprised po kayong lahat kung bakit nandito kami nagla-live ngayon, pero mamaya-maya lang, ibubulgar na namin kung ano ang dahilan.
Ibubulgar.
Siyempre, mag-check muna tayo ng comments, baka may mga pinagsasabi sila dyan.
Yeah, and I think excited naman ang everyone for tonight. So, based
napaka-formal ng voice dito, no?
Sila, dire-diretso yung comments. So, mamaya tayo magbasa ng ibang mga comments.
Feeling ko kulang pa yung energy natin kasi parang for me, sobrang dami nating sasabihin na exciting news for all of them. So,
mag-stretching muna ba tayo?
Mag-stretching muna. Magjo-joke muna si Justin ng...
Joke.
Hindi, feeling ko may nakabaon ka na naman din.
Ano ako ngayon? I'm
hibernating. Resting.
Pero the past few days, di ba? Parang lagi siyang handa. Lagi may nakabaon na prepared talaga.
may baon.
Siguro may baon ka rin yun.
Wala akong baon ngayon.
Anyways, mag-check muna tayo ng comments.
Yes.
Apaka-seryoso ni...
Comment check na agad ng comments kasi parang maaga pa ata para mag-check ng comments.
Hindi, mag-check tayo. I mean, i-check natin sila kung everything's okay po ba. Nakikita nyo kami ng malinaw.
Oo, Justin. Justin, nakita ka namin, sobrang pogi mo.
Ayan, may mga nag-send ng mga comments.
Wow, hindi ko mabasa. Bilis.
Strawberries.
Seryoso si Josh tsaka si Ken dito, ha?
Again, good
Timing
evening
pa.
everyone. So thank you for, watching.
Master, you're welcome. You deserve all this shit.
Ooh. I'll attend the Round Festival but I still want a solo concert of theirs here.
Si Karen
Saan ka ba
Bay.
nakatira, Karen Bay? Saan yung here?
Baka sa Jakarta.
Round Festival is in Indonesia, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay, akala ko joke.
Gusto rin namin yan, huwag ka mag-alala. Pupunta kami dyan.
Akala ko sa bahay nila.
Huwag mag-alala, ipikit.
Pablo.
Okay, so first of all, gusto ko namin magpasalamat sa
Pare,
inyo
right
for
off the
tuning
bat,
in
no?
into this very, very special live stream. Thank you so much po.
Oh, shit! Oh, yes.
Well,
So, merong solo cameras para sa mga pagbumuka nila.
Tonight, this is very special for us and another achievement not only for us but of course to all the people, to all the people helping us, to our team of course. But one thing's for sure is tonight is going to be memorable and another milestone for us. And I think tonight will be very exciting not only for us but of course to all the people who supported us from the start, for our 18, and of course to all the people who still curious about our group, and to our,
That's one thing na sobrang dahilan kung bakit talagang mahal na mahal ko yung mga boys, and talagang daming blessings na dumarating sa kanila. Isa sa mga dahilan is yung ganyan, yung gratefulness nila. Pinapakita nila na grateful sila sa, first of all, sa mga tumulong sa kanila, sa team nila. Alam mo yun, they didn't have to do that, but man, every time sinasabi nila yan, man, they are grateful.
Careers that we want to do on the future. So, marami po kaming sasabihin tonight, and one of the things na i-discuss namin is of course our upcoming 5-year anniversary.
Oh.
Yeah.
5 taon na pala tayo.
Yeah, 5 years na yung group
years,
naming SB19. And yun yung isang bagay na dapat i-celebrate. And SB19's half a decade anniversary! Woo! Half a decade. And we have a few important and exciting announcements to make. So, tignan natin ang mga magiging reaksyon ng mga tao online. And sa tingin nyo, ano kayang sabihin namin? Yeah.
Pag sinabing half a decade, parang mas matagal no? Yung feeling. Half a decade.
Kumpara sa 5 years.
Yeah.
Pag sinabing half a decade, parang...
So, mag-check tayo ng hula kung ano sa tingin nyo yung mga i-announce namin ngayon. So, let's see.
Announcement.
Let's check. Ano kaya
Ano ang
ulam nila?
kanilang guest?
Kasi medyo marami to guys, marami. So baka tama yung mga nasa isip nyo.
Madaming announcement. Ang alam ko lang naman yung onesie, di ba? Yan ang alam ko eh.
Concert in Manila when?
Let's see. Let's see.
Let's see. Pero i-announce na natin ngayon kung ano yung mga
Kung ano yung mga i-prepare
Paulanin
natin.
muna natin sila at i-announce din namin. What are those?
Yeah.
Bet na bet ko yung suot ni Justin dito, pre. Nakaka-sexy.
Ito lang,
No hula.
Oh, wala.
Sobrang formal naman
Ito
din
na
yung
yun.
forma ni Master
Kamusta kayo?
Pablo.
Yun lang naman. Ito pa.
Dami
Yan,
yung
basta tayo
nagko-comment.
doon.
Mag-iipon na ako baka sakaling
We should
magka-concert sa Oktobre.
Ay, perfect ka dyan.
Perfect
Perfect ka dyan.
Tama yan.
Laging
Regardless kung may concert ka o wala, lagi ka
Mag-iipon. Tama. Perfect
Kasi
attitude.
Kailangan mo yan.
Tama,
pero
tama.
Siguro
Sabi,
may
concert.
Tama
Asia
behavior.
tour.
Wala kaming pake sa ipon. Gagastusin namin yan sa
emergency
concert.
concert.
Kala mo talaga na
Puro concert ng hula nila.
Ay, kayo guilty kayo dyan.
Concert.
Wala daw pera, pero pag concert, labas ang pera.
Concert.
Libre naman yun.
Ay, UMV?
Kayang bayaran nga. Alang ticket ng ating pera pa. Kung may mag-sponsor na dyan.
Oh, be careful what you wish for.
Kasi just might get it. Bagong studio! Ay, bagong studio.
Studio?
Yehey!
Ang tahimik naman ng dalawa sa likod. What's happening?
Pwede naman.
Pero I guess medyo mahirap ulaan.
Walang mic sa likod. Merong mic ka.
And we're very excited to
But-
share with all of you.
Ba't parang ma-echo yung kay ano ni Josh?
We have with our company, Onesie Entertainment.
Yay!
Si Josh,
Yay! Palakbakan kayo dyan!
Apaka-serious pakinggan ako.
And alam niyo naman po lahat na we built our own company before and it's called Onesie Entertainment and finally tonight po officially nag-debut na magde-debut si Onesie.
Nag-debut.
We're just unveiling yung identity ni Onesie, the Onesie Entertainment's logo. So, i-explain
pare. Nakita ko to sa Facebook pero hindi ko masyadong inintindi.
si Pablo.
Kasi gusto kong panood ng video.
Ay, CEO!
Sorry ka. Anyway, actually sobrang excited ako ngayon kasi talagang pina-pride namin tong Onesie Entertainment. Isa to sa mga biggest achievements namin in life. And
By the way, I dig this hairstyle of Pinuno. Walang tatalo sa long-haired Pinuno, pare. Sobrang sarap.
officially,
sobrang gwapo.
na-announce namin today yung debut ni Onesie Entertainment. Palakpakan naman kayo dyan! Siguro sa mga videos and contents namin, you're able to see yung name na ni Onesie, but wala pa kayong full idea kung ano talaga si Onesie Entertainment. So, bibigyan ko lang ng background siguro kayo. Onesie Entertainment is
Gian
built
Paolo
by
Nasser,
SB19, the members of
CEO,
SB19,
pare.
together with all the people behind the cameras there.
Ano ang
Yan,
meaning ng
kasama po
CEO,
namin
Chief
sila sa
Executive
Onesie. But,
Officer ba?
Yes, before I delve into the logo of
Still, kahit
Onesie,
ganyan mo
I
yung
would
style,
just like
nakikita
to
namin
share
yung
with
ginagawa mo.
everyone,
Ayusin mo muna.
how Onesie brought upon, how Onesie was brought upon, di ba? Siguro 5 years ago.
Si Ken, nasa ibang bansa na isang mundo na si Ken.
We had a dream.
Nakikinig si Ken.
Together we had a dream. That dream was to have Filipino music, Filipino talent, and the whole Filipino culture to be pinned into the world map. And
Parang bigat na.
that is parang sobrang laking pangarap nun para sa amin. And we felt like a lot of people din na nakapaligid sa amin, they think that the dream was so big na they feel like we couldn't achieve it. Pero nagpatuloy kami kasi parang naniniwala kami. Unang-una sa lahat, kasama namin yung isa't isa. We have each other.
Dati, sobrang labo, di ba?
And naniniwala
Kahit ako sinasabi
kami
ko
na
dati,
kapag pinakita
medyo malabo
namin
pa eh.
yung
Pero
marami
ngayon, pre,
talaga.
taraw na natin,
And
di ba?
ayun, nagpatuloy yung SB19. At first, when we were starting, we had this hunger. We had this ick, actually, to challenge everything that we see in the industry. Sometimes, nab-view pa kami na nagmamagaling. Kasi parang gusto namin, parang hands-on kami sa lahat ng ginagawa namin. Kaya siguro ganun. Pero in truth, we were just so focused on our goal. we were just so focused on
Ano pala mali sa
the
nagmamagaling?
vision that we want
Magaling
to
naman
achieve.
talaga kayo. Diba?
That's
Hindi ko
why
mag-gets.
we
Ano, mali
couldn't
doon?
just blindly follow the things that we're told to do. So, ayun po, kaya medyo tinake namin yung wheel para nang sa ganon, since this is also our future, gusto namin talaga hands-on kami sa mga ginagawa namin.
Siyempre
So,
kayo,
ayun nga
nakasalalay kayo dyan. And
we
that
had
was
to do
a very good
everything,
decision.
Regardless of the resources that we had before, talagang
Oh,
there
pare.
were so many sacrifices,
Yeah.
mentally, physically, financially, friends and family. Pero the desire
Ang bigat
was,
nun.
you know, nandun talaga yung desire namin para ma-achieve yung dream na yon. And nagpatuloy kami. And eventually, na-realize din namin na parang we couldn't do it na kaming lima lang. Parang natagpuan namin or parang we found the need na mag-create ng isang system or ng ecosystem na talagang magta-thrive yung mga tao doon, mag-grow together and help each other to elevate yung mga outputs, yung mga contents na nilalabas. Siyempre, kasama dyan yung mga cameraman, producers, music producers,
Ayan mo,
sound engineers, script writers, everyone na talagang bumubuo ng industry. Gusto namin na mag-level up. Nang sa ganun,
Tingnan mo, pare.
talagang
Ganyan yung
may angat
maganda.
natin yung output or yung parang
Sinasabi
standard
nila yan,
ng,
pre, ha? Sinasabi
kalidad
nila
ng
yan.
entertainment industry dito
Hindi
sa
yan normal eh.
Kaya nung nagkaroon kami ng chance na
May respeto talaga sila sa
may
craft
grab
ng lahat.
yung,
Mapa-cameraman ka man.
pasukin yung ganitong i-build yung onesie, yung industry, yung opportunity.
Ang ano yung itsura ni
Talagang
Pablo,
all the
ang
mind.
bango-bango eh. Itsura pa lang, pre, ha?
Take a step forward. Kasi talaga, parang sobrang hirap niya kung iisipin, pero
Narinig ko yun,
iisipin
hirap,
namin
sabi mo,
meron
hirap.
kaming vision, and we have the people behind us na talagang tutulungan kami para ma-achieve yung mga dreams na yun. Kaya doon, talagang binuo namin si Onesie. Ngayon, Onesie logo. Yan. Pupunta tayo sa Onesie logo.
Iba naman!
Yung image.
Si Master
natutuwa
Pablo
ako
pa rin
dito,
mag-explain.
na-excite ako dito. Pero before sa logo tayo, gusto ko lang sabihin
Magsalita naman yung
Onesie
dalawa sa likod,
is a
pre.
play on the word zone.
Titigas yung ano
So
nito.
what we did was, we took O-N-E and put it right in the beginning. Tapos,
one.
kaya nabuo yung Onesie. So, it also denotes one zone.
Ano, hindi? Ah!
Ano ba yung
So
one
get in the
or
zone?
yung the zone.
Onesie?
Para sa amin,
the F,
it's a
bro?
very sacred place. It's like a sanctuary or a dojo where we work on ourselves. We try to hone our talents and, try to develop all the aspects ng personalities and individualities namin. And doon naman sa zone or in the
Natatawa
zone,
ako sa dalawa
parang
sa likod.
this is
Naninigas
the
na sila
state of being that we enter to access the 100% potential na kaya na gawin ng isang person or ng isang talent para maipakita yung galing nila, may pamalas kung ano yung kaya nilang gawin.
So may free will sila
without
doon.
the limitations of creativity. Yan,
Yeah.
yan talaga yung gusto namin mangyari. And,
Maganda.
And syempre nga, this company was built and inspired by SB19's key message. Yan yung to get you in the zone and break the norm.
Break the norm, pare. Sarap.
Binibigyan namin ng pride yung motto na yun. Kasi mahalaga sa amin yun kasi doon kami nagsimula. And we are taking the same guiding principles not only for SB19 but for future generations of artists, performers, and creatives alike. Yan ang gustong gawin ng
Shit,
Onesie.
ang sarap nun.
Siyempre, naniwala kami
Yun yung vision
na
nila, no?
in breaking norms, we see
mission.
that the new standard of Filipino artists unfold.
Siyempre, ano
Siyempre,
maganda.
para magawa lahat ng mga to be able to achieve all of this, it is our mission here at Onesie Entertainment to hone breakthrough artists who express their limitless creativity and passion through groundbreaking music, arts, and entertainment in an ecosystem that we call The Zone. Yung The Zone na may, hindi yung The Zone na may butas Yung The Zone na may butas, yun yung studio namin. Pero it's an imaginary place na talaga may papakita.
Ito yung sabi ni Casual Chuck eh.
Gusto ko lang din i-share na yung experience ko sa Onesie Entertainment.
Sabagay, siya naman yung
Foreign
CEO kaya
experience
siya
ko.
dapat magsalita.
The longest meeting ever.
Pero di dalawa sa likod.
We've had the longest meeting ever. We've had a 13-hour meeting na talaga namang nagkaroon kami ng brainstorming na matindi, as in brainstorming
13 hour?
Maraming
Tama ba
notepads,
yan?
sticky notes na nagkalat-kalat to build and to direct how we want, how we project 1C to become in the next years and how we want, kung siguro kung anong goal in general ng 1C. Yan. So, ang foundation na talagang nag-anchor sa 1C, syempre, number 1 dyan is yung creativity. Hindi yan mawawala. Isa yan talaga sa pinakamahalaga na values na pinapahalaga ng 1C. Syempre, sunod dyan yung integrity. Yan. Integrity. Tama, di ba?
Meaning integrity.
Kalimutan ko. Integrity.
May integridad.
Integridad. Yan. Next is yung growth. And innovation, and syempre, yung kalidad, yung quality. Yan naman talaga ang 1Z. Talagang introduce a new standard for the whole industry to follow. Syempre,
new standard, The word is standard.
Buong team, and syempre, lahat kami talagang we put our hearts and our minds into these core values as artists. And now, we're breaking our own limits to take on the responsibility of pushing the movement, not only as SB19, but as industry shakers. Talagang we want to break the norms, talagang introduce new standards. And so, here is our logo.
Logo!
Pakita niyo yan.
Hey. So that was the logo. This is the logo, right? 1Z.
So, ayan, kamusta po? Napanood niyo ng logo reveal. So,
Logo reveal.
sana po ay nagustuhan niyo. And,
Ang angas nga dun. I like
then
that.
to explain kung ano yung meron sa logo. So, the letter Z is recomposed. It houses 3 key elements.
Yan.
Meron po siyang tatlo. Nakita niyo naman, tatlong elements.
Wait lang. Kung sasabihin mo sa amin kung nakita ko yung tatlo doon. Wala akong nakitang tatlo doon. Dalawang putol na araw yung nakita ko doon. Anong nakita ko, Justin? Sige, explain.
Image of a strong pillar in this letter Z symbolizes the support 1Z provides sa artist. Yan. So, ayun po yung nagpa-provide sa artist. And then second, the extended diagonal strokes represent breaking of norms and space for growth of our artist.
Dang.
So, halata na, we're very focused sa artist natin. And lastly,
Pillar
our logo
yung isa.
resembles the
Breaking the
equilibrium symbol. This represents our harmonious relationship not only with our artists, but to all our partners, our team, our advocates, and of course, our supporters.
Yes.
Kaya, these are exciting times for 1Z Entertainment, and we are very much excited to see this grow. Ayan.
Talagang makikita mo talagang nag-revolve dun sa growth ng isang artist. Hindi lang artist as kami, kasama dyan yung lahat na nagtatrabaho, creatives, everyone, kailangan laging may development pagdating sa mga ginagawa nila. Kasi alam naman natin na ang industry, hindi lang siya isang parte, hindi lang siya yung artist. Everyone behind the artist, nandyan din yung mga cameraman. Siyempre, kailangan mag-up din yung level nila pagdating sa pagpaproduce ng mga kalidad na shows and everything. Para nang sa ganun, talagang tumaas yung standard ng ating industry.
Yeah,
Ayan,
what the F, man.
Makikita nyo, explain. Basahin nyo maigi
Lumabas na explanation.
Wow. Okay.
So,
yeah, thank you so
since
much.
na-reveal na po yung logo, na-explain na namin kung anong meron si 1Z, kung ano ang goals, and the story behind creating 1Z.
Well, hanggang dun na muna kasi punyeta nasa 20 minutes na pare. I would like to hear more of it pero sobrang haba na. Siguro papanoorin ko na lang mag-isa, no? Napanood nyo na to. Pero nandun na yung logo and that was amazing. And I really like the logo itself, no? Napakagusto ko yun. Pero hindi nagsalita yung dalawa sa likod. Pero I'm so happy. But congratulations mga mahalima. Mahal na mahal namin kayo and continue to grow and continue to be a manananggal. I'm so proud of you. Fly high, habang yung paa mo ay nasa lupa, 'di ba? Walang bubudbud ng asin dyan kasi mahal namin kayo. Manananggal reference. So yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. 1Z Entertainment, welcome to the industry of breaking the norms, that freaking shit norms na ginawa ng mga hinayupak na mga hayok sa pera ng mga ano dati, no? Hindi ko na alam kung sino yun, pero alam nyo na yun, yung mga kakulak nila sa mga artist, yung pera, niloloko yung mga artist, ganun pare, para lang ano, dito, bi-break natin yan. Yun yung sinasabi ng 1Z. We break that shit. Kung ano yung genius mo, ilagay mo sa craft mo ng as is. Walang dahil dito, dahil doon. Wala yung mga dapat ganito sundin mo kasi ito gusto ng masa. Walang paki yung 1Z doon. Do your shit. Do it uniquely. Yun ang susundin natin. Bahala na yung mga punyeta kung ano pa yan, no? So, isa-stop ko na pala. Hindi ko pa na-stop yung ano. So, that's it. Siguro tutuloy ko na lang ito mag-isa kasi napakahaba, but ang importante dun yung logo ng 1Z at pag-reveal. Thank you for watching. This has been Curbs Page and you are amazing.